Well, first time on voice, but who cares? Anyways, this is what I found today. Well, a couple days ago, but go to Google, type in intellectual property Canada. I'll just go through what it is here. Patents. Search your patent documents. Type in Assembly of Saskatchewan. Search. You can see it's brings us up to some patents and things like that. And recombination swine flu score is 100%. Well, people can read this as they want, but I'll just go down the bottom. But anyways, it's Zhao Yan or whatever, and Mazik are the inventors. The owners of the University of Saskatchewan. The applicants, University of Saskatchewan. And the agents, Grawling Canada, WLG. These are all numbers. But what I thought was most interesting is if you go down here to documents, go to the bottom, go to page 3. On August 6th of this year, go to cover page, and it says that Zhao Yan CA and Mazik Alexandra are the inventors, property University of Saskatchewan, Canada, or wherever. Agent, Grau Cowling, and it is the title of the recombination swine virus and use thereof. The H3N2 virus. You can see, I can see this as clear as me, and it says date, or issued date, September 3rd, 2019. Does that mean that's the day they're going to release H3N2 upon Saskatchewan? Canada? I don't know how to read this document, but I just thought I'd show that, and there's tons of more. As I see them, I'll put them up. Have a good day. Or if anyone can decipher this, get back to me. Oh, how do I shut this screen off?